Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Keisha with Country Garden Oasis. Thank you so much. Please remember to like and subscribe. Today, I want to share with you how I set up my pop-up greenhouse from Amazon. It was quite the adventure for me. I don't necessarily think this is a one-person job. You'll see all my struggles as we go through, but it's great that I was able to get it done. And now my plants have a place to be, and my seedlings will soon have a new home. So let's get started. So now that I finished setting up the greenhouse, I want to give you guys a tour. I bought this on Amazon. It was a 7x7. It came with these two foldable shelves, which you saw me futzing around and putting together. So let me give you a look inside so you can see what I have in there. So over here, this is what the shelves look like. They're collapsible, which I like because once the season's over, I'm going to put them away once I plant stuff outside. So these are my ranunculus. I messed up, and the video where I was sprouting them, I lost it.
because I reformatted my SD card. So I'm not able to show you that, but I'll put a link below how you can sprout them. And they're doing really well. I put it in the basement in about an area where it was about 50 degrees, and they came up really nicely. Okay, then over here, so what I did to maximize my space, I had a foldable table. So I put that in the back, and then put each of the folding tables on the side. These are the tulips. If you remember my tulip video, I'll put a link below that I did in the fall, and I put them down in the basement. They're coming up. Here's this one's a daffodil that's mid-season, and I'm learning a couple of things because I have these all labeled whether they're mid-season, early spring. Like this one is an early spring and there's nothing. This one is mid-spring daffodil. I see something peeking out. These are snowdrops, nothing yet. These are some beautiful double tulips I'm excited about. So I brought these out and I'll show you why in a minute. So over on this side, I can't remember if these are tulips or daffodils, honestly. I think they're daffodils. So all of these did an amazing job. They're all bursting through, but they looked a little blonde because they were in the basement in the dark and there was no sunlight. So I was eager to get these out so that they can get some sunlight and they can color up. And so I put all the things that I'm going to be using down here as well. My spray bottle, my vermiculite, my seed starting mix, my potting mix, and my bin. Oh, I'm going to use my Cricut to add vinyl to the bin that says soil bin. And that's it, guys. I will give you guys an update how we're doing with the little greenhouse. Oh, one more important thing. Down here, because I have it on the deck, my husband zip tied the base. And we had a couple of winds since we put it up. It didn't even move. It didn't move a single bit. So I'm excited about that. And then it has a zipper door with